Hello guys, mga unta guys, o mangga nga naay asin. Apple. Ingon akong bana, you eat apple every day. And with asin. Ang asin, taga na to og salt. Close your eyes. I need mineral.
No, you don't put salt on apple, you cuckoo head.
I want to eat with salt.
That's unhealthy, dear. Your doctor says unhealthy, you shouldn't be doing that.
Delicious.
Unhealthy.
Delicious.
Unhealthy.
The salt?
Huh?
The salt?
Yes. You don't need salt.
Skin, salmon skin. My husband doesn't want to eat salmon skin. Apple.
The 19th century boom created a hacienda class of wealthy sugar barons. Huge mansions sprung up, and everyone wanted to get in on the sugar rush.
Apple, one apple a day.
Former sugar worker Ver Vicente to learn about this industry's sweet success.
One apple a day, it part you away, right?
Yeah, well, you make it unhealthy when you put salt on it.
We were born here. Our grandparents taught us how to plant sugarcane, sugarcane, sugarcane.
What is it about this island that makes it so good for growing?
Because of rain, of sunshine,
Mango.
the plain, and the kind of soil here.
Apple.
For us, the scent of mud is the scent of money.
So the fate of the island is completely tied to the sugar industry.
Well, the cost of sugar was still good. That was the
Because
best years for the haciendas. Sugar has a
Because
cultural
season niya yung salmon.
Sugar is responsible for the creation of the big houses here. Without sugarcane,
Don't put salt on damn fruit, woman.
I never thought I'd say this, but sugar is really good for you.
Yes, yes.
What's life like for the workers here?
We have 6 months. There is work in the sugarcane.
Salmon skin.
2 months less work, and the remaining 4 months we call it
My husband doesn't want salmon skin,
season. You send
so
your
I
children
ate for him.
to the cities to become household helpers or catch fish or scratch for seashells to survive. That's the cycle of life.
With the sugar highs come sugar lows, and the industry hit rock bottom in 1980. The invention
Kaon
of
mag-apple,
sugar
guys.
in America caused sugar prices to crash, plunging the island into a socio-economic crisis. Fields lay unharvested, and Negros' monocrop culture thrust the islanders into desperate poverty.
Apple is vitamin G.
The world responded with international aid,
Jesus.
and these resilient communities bounced back.
Babe, crazy.
Huh?
You're local in your moco.
They're not sorry for what happened. That's part of the history.
I have to becoming a loco to marry you.
Festival was born because of that. Our leader said, well,
They put your salt on your apple so you can go away.
smile, we can dance, we can...
So you don't have headache no more.
So Mascara Festival
Big headache.
to be.
So the Mascara Festival was born at a time of disaster and tragedy.
Rises.
A crazy, crazy day tomorrow.
Yeah, tomorrow it's going to be a crazy day, but you know, sometimes you have to be crazy.
At least I enjoy my food
Yeah,
Like
until you
me.
die.
like mango. People die.
Really.
Every year, the city of Bacolod explodes with spirit for the Festival of Mascara.
What do you think?
It's 3 weeks in October and
You're gonna be last forever until you're the last person on earth.
No, but you're gonna have to hurry it along by eating crap.
The event is the highlight in the Negros calendar and one of the
Your
Philippines'
doctor said not to do the salt.
festivals.
No,
It's
so
intensely competitive and takes
when the doctor told me I cannot eat fried food, I stopped going to the doctor.
And it's a mad scramble to get all the final preparations done in time. Look at how
Your life belongs to your family too, not just yourself.
this is unbelievable.
I
You have a son, you have a mother, you have a husband. Who's gonna push the button on the rice cooker?
Choreographer Jordan Casablanca.
Your finger?
Having won the
I don't know how.
for the last 2 years running, this year the pressure is really
But at the same time, I want to be happy.
slam victory.
Yeah, that's why you married me.
How are you?
Eating.
Very calm for being the captain of this whole thing.
That's why you married me, so you can be happy for the rest of your life.
I want to make sure I eat good.
Trust me, you eat good.
I want to eat good because I work hard.
Yep, I'd love to.
Well, then eat good is don't eat unhealthy.
Yes, I will enjoy. Okay, thank you. Bye.
But I don't take vitamins.
Starting to get costumed up, and I was really nervous actually. This is high stakes.
Doctor taking your blood for a reason.
Jordan, it's beautiful. There's less of it than I was expecting. Let's pose.
No more.
Good.
Karon.
Hey,
Manga.
thank you. This is amazing. I'm gonna go put it on.
Sweet mango.
How do I look? Hi guys.
Habang ni siya na nagkaon guys, nanood ni siya TV. TV.
Would you like
Cellphone.
in front?
I'm watching a documentary on Philippines.
Ah.
The other teams look amazing, and the nervous tension.
Mag-retire na mi guys.
We're up next, and it's time to make my cheerleading debut.
Kapoy niya. Trabaho. Nagawang na. Na.
Obviously a natural, but I need to let the professionals take it from here.
Si mother. Si mother magpapalit daw og cane. She wants me to buy cane. When we go visit Philippines, we're not gonna bring anything with us by carrying is too hassle. Very hassle.
Alright guys, check this out. I was driving home from work a few months ago.
Sabi niya,
One of my tires was a dangerous
Hassle guys, magbitbit ka.
years gas station.
Kanunay ka i-check sa custom.
See, this is why
Sa una.
yeah.
Sa una, nagadala na siya og cane paingog Jinsan. Nahabilin gyud din tao hapit ang cane sa kuan sa airport.
Which they're headed to now. If they don't win, I'm going home.
So kung mag-travel talaga,
Teams in this year's competition.
avoid yun ang mga hand carry. Avoid mga hand carry tungod kay very hassle yun ang magdala-dala gay magbit-bit-bit unsay naa sa imong gibit-bit sa imuhang kamot. Pahunongan pa ka sa costume. Unya, we're gonna bring bulad ha when we come back here. I'm going to bring bulad.
Good job. Okay, we'll be waiting.
No, we're not bringing stuff back.
Bulad.
What bulad?
Chip. Dry fish.
No,
Muna.
it's called customs. They don't want you to bring that stuff back.
Yeah. It's okay because if it's consumed. Not to sell. They allow you as long as it's your
Last
own
night
consume.
was complete madness. The Filipino people know how to party. I think I peeled off that outfit at midnight, 1 a.m. Got this coconut thing.
Hurot na, mana.
I thought it was a drink, but it turned out to be some complicated.
Mana guys, kaon sa ato ang apple and mango. Siya wala pa taon siya kahuman kiss-kiss sa iyahang kuan. Salmon. Delicious. Bye-bye guys. Till next time.